Primary School.
My name is Guo Cheng Guang, of Primary 2 also from YUMIN Primary School.
This lesson is
Calculus. Chapter 4, further differentiation.
This lesson will look at this question. So we have 3 parts here, right?
Yes?
And we have the 2 triangles. And each of these triangles has a inscribed rectangle, right?
Yes?
Okay, so let's look at this. For the first triangle, we'll need to find the maximum area of that inscribed rectangle. And so the same to the second part. Then for the third part, we'll need to find the ratio.
Yes.
Okay, so for this side is A and that side is B, right?
Yes?
And here, that we can let the sides, correct?
Yes?
So that can be X and this can be
Y.
Y. Where's your area? First, we'll need to know which of the triangles are similar triangles.
These two, those and the whole thing,
Okay,
those and the whole thing.
so now can we just take this triangle and the whole as example, Ken?
Okay, louder please.
So first for this area, here is an X times Y, correct?
Yes?
So over here, the base to this whole base, that means this is X over 3.
Your mic right in front of you
This is X over 3, 2.
and further to your mouth.
And here is Y, correct?
Yes? And louder.
So here is,
So there will be, yes,
minus Y over B,
equal,
correct?
then is equal, enough for ratio, it's for,
Like this.
yes.
Okay, so for this, now we'll need to find what is X.
Actually, if you do it to Y, it will be a X. If you do it to X, it will be a Y.
Can we write it like this?
Okay,
So right now over here, we'll need to sub this in, right?
correct.
So that means this is a AY minus,
AY minus ABY squared.
like this, is it correct?
Yes.
So for this now, we'll find the first derivative.
Correct.
So for this, the first derivative, we'll look at this. AY, we differentiate with respect to Y, correct?
Yes.
So this is A, and here minus, because this is Y squared, so this is a 2A over B, and here's the Y, correct?
Yes.
So can I just erase this part first? Okay?
Correct.
So now
Okay.
we'll let the first derivative be 0.
Okay.
Now let's look at Y. What should Y be?
What should be
Because that here's only a A and here's only A, correct?
correct?
So here we'll need the B over 2,
Yes.
correct?
Correct.
So here now we'll find the second derivative.
Correct.
So this will be a negative 2A over B.
Okay,
Right?
and put it further to your mouth.
Okay, so it's like this, and this is smaller than 0.
Yes.
So right now, we'll find the maximum area.
Okay.
So right now, we'll just need to sub the Y in. Am I right?
Okay.
Do you know how to continue? So this is a B, and here is over, tell me?
over 4.
Yes, correct. This is a AB over 4.
2AB then minus AB will be AB over 4.
Yes, correct.
Okay, I'll use another triangle using another color to represent the second question.
Okay, so for this, we found this answer, right?
Okay,
So can we just write it at the side? Okay?
okay,
Or maybe we can leave this here and continue here, okay?
okay, and louder please.
Okay, so now we'll look at the next triangle. So for the next triangle is also a right angle triangle, right?
Yes,
And for here, we also have the two sides. That is a A2. Okay, so down here, this base is A, right?
okay,
That part we can let X, and this part we can let Y.
Y. Then here will be theta. Here will be also theta.
Yes. So down here, this will be a and here is.
B and louder please.
Okay, so now we'll need to know what is A, right? Correct?
Yes,
So for this A, this will be a X times Y, and this is. So we'll need to know what is a X, what is a Y. Correct?
correct.
And remember, here's also an X, right?
Yes,
So how should we find it? Can we use the A and the B? We have two ways.
okay.
Either we go this way or it's straight away. So can we just...
Can I use the A?
Okay, so wait. We need to label the points. Label the points.
Okay,
This will be A. Then here can be B. And there can be C. And so here can be D.
D.
So for this, which you want to go this way, correct?
Yes,
So if you want to go this way, A is a AD plus DB, right?
yes.
Then
You first find what the answer of AD plus DB.
okay, so here I'll write here AD plus this DB. So we'll need to use the angle theta, right?
Yes,
So for this angle theta, because that here we have, what do we have? This is the hypo, right?
yes.
So here we'll use the cosine,
Put
or is it sine?
it's a sine and can you?
So for here, we'll know that sine theta, this is,
Sine theta is
we'll need to know AD. So this is a y over AD, correct?
correct. That means AD will equals y times sine theta.
This is a y over sine theta.
Okay,
So for this here is a y over sine theta, and here is plus. Okay, dB. dB is here, right?
yes,
We have the hypo. We'll just need to know the base, correct?
let's find what is dB first.
Okay, so for this, we'll need
So
to
this
use,
time will be a cosine.
and here is,
So it will be dB over x. So dB will equals cosine x. Cosine theta times x.
so like this.
Yes,
Okay, so we found AB, right?
yes.
So after we find AB, what will we need to find?
Put it further to your mouth. Equals.
Wait, it's over here. Is it? And here this is a 8, correct?
Yes,
So we found this A, right?
Correct.
So after we find A, will we need to find a B?
Yes, and put the mark further.
Okay, so after we found the A, what will we need to get either X or Y? We'll just need to use this. Is it? Is it?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you want? X or Y?
We will want Y.
Okay, so if you want Y, here is this is A minus X cosine theta, and here over, wait, the sine theta times, okay?
Okay.
So that means this is A sine theta, and here will be minus X sine theta cosine theta. Correct?
Correct.
So we found what is Y. Can we sub in?
Yes. And
So
also,
for this is AX sine theta, and here is minus X squared sine theta cosine theta. Right?
yes.
So for this A, the area, right?
Correct.
Can we find what is the A prime?
Okay.
So we find what is the A prime. This will be, first is this, will differentiate with respect to X.
Wait.
But
We
for
haven't sub sine theta.
we still can continue here, right?
Yes.
So sine theta, when you look at this, if you look at the whole thing, this is a B over, this is square root A squared plus B squared, right? Because that we use the Pythagoras theorem, correct?
Yes. And the other one will be just a plus B.
So this is,
There's no more square root.
so here, what is this?
So there will, we're right there below.
So for this, AX still over here, and here we have our sine A squared plus B squared, and this will over,
Wait, wrong.
oops, I wrote the opposite way. And don't forget, here's the X. And here it is minus. For this X squared, sine theta, cosine theta, sine theta is the same thing just now, right? B
Yes.
over this. Then we'll need to look at the cosine theta. Cosine theta, this is the X. I mean the A over the same thing, correct?
Correct.
So this is a AB over this is A squared plus B squared, and here is times the X squared.
Correct.
Okay, so here can we erase?
Okay.
So now, what do you think we will find?
Now we'll find what the first
Can we find what is the
derivative.
first derivative?
Okay.
And right now, for this, we'll need to let the first derivative be 0, right?
Yes.
So for this, the X,
Will need to be
because that if you times the square root A squared plus B squared, here we'll also have, right? And here we
Yes.
have the extra 2, so we'll need to divide the 2. And remember, times the extra this. Like this, is it correct?
Yes.
Okay, so for this, we'll need to find the second derivative, right?
Yes.
So for this, the second derivative, here will be a 0. And then here, this is a negative 2ab, and here over a squared plus b squared, correct?
Correct.
And this is smaller than 0.
Yes.
Okay, so for this, now we'll need to find the maximum area, right?
Right.
So then we'll start the x in here. So this is a ab over 2 minus, what would this be? This is a ab over 4.
Yes.
So this is ab over 4. Wait, what did you realize here? Okay, so
It's the same.
these two are the same.
So that means this will be a 1 and 1.
Wait, first for this, we look at this. What did you realize about this? Half of the triangle is AB over 2, right? But this
Yes.
is a AB over 4. So what does it mean?
That means
This largest area is what of the triangle? Half, right?
yes.
Because it is over 4. Both are half. Right?
Yes. No matter we cut it like this.
So for this, as this is a half,
I mean,
what else can you say about this?
this when we cut something like
Okay, so for this, when we look at this triangle, let me just draw it over here, okay? So here for this
okay,
triangle,
just draw bigger.
we have like this. Then at this, we can have a physical meaning,
Okay.
like from here, when you come here. Okay, first,
Over here, they're bigger.
when we look at this, what is it? What is it like
It will
this?
be the same area
These two has the same area, correct?
because the height we times the same height.
Okay, and also, when we look at this, why is it half? That means this is actually a half.
Yes. And
This
then
is
half
1, this is 1.
A and half B.
So that means here we can say 1 unit and 1 unit, right?
Yes.
And here this is also 1 unit, 1 unit. Correct?
Actually, if you found that the hypo is also a half.
So the hypo here is 1 unit, here is also the same, right?
Yes.
So for this,
Middle point.
okay, the midpoint, right?
Also known as the mass center.
Wait, but for this, the mass center is like when you lift this up, right? When you lift this up
Okay, just cut it another way.
like this. So here you need to cut from here to here. And this intersection, this is the mass center.
Yes. Oh, the Newton's
So like
first,
this.
the Newton's. Okay.
Okay, so like this, okay?
Yes.
Remember, this is the mass center.
Yes,
Okay.
which is the A.
And remember, this is parallel.
And the
I mean,
MA.
the perpendicular to the ground.
Yes, perpendicular to the ground means the x-axis.
So just on the ground, okay? Like our floor, right?
Yes, and actually, you can sketch it. Except for now, we won't sketch it.
Okay, there is the graphical structure,
Yes.
graphical drawing, right?
Yes, they actually the same thing except for different names.
Okay, so for this, you can actually draw it out,
Yes,
right?
but it's going to. That's how we calculate with a triangle only. With only one right angle triangle.
So for this,
That's how you calculate.
first, for this right angle triangle, at 2 points, we'll need to use
need
the
to draw.
compass, and we'll draw
Yes.
it out to like these that intersect, okay? And for
Yes.
this intersection, then the two intersection points.
Wait, actually it's a circle and a circle, but we just draw one part.
Yes.
Then after that,
The two intersection, we connect them.
yes,
Then we'll find which of the parts is intersect, right?
yes. Okay, let's draw on a triangle. So something like this.
So for that, we'll need this right angle triangle, right?
Yes.
So first from this, we'll need to,
Yes, and we need to start from this and here.
wait for this, let me just redraw, okay?
Wait.
Let me
Not
just
like
redraw
that.
this. Okay, so we can actually have one right angle triangle like this, correct?
Correct.
Then for this, at these 2 points, you'll use a compass and draw part of it.
A
It can
circle.
be something like this, correct?
Yes.
But remember, it must be the same length, okay?
Then we draw a line. After that,
At this point, we'll need a line parallel to this, like for example, something like this, okay?
okay. Then we need a line to connect those.
Wait,
After that,
we'll need parallel to this, okay?
okay, must be
So like this parallel, then you'll need perpendicular.
okay.
You'll need a perpendicular line like this. So like this, we'll get our
Okay.
rectangle, okay?
Okay, and that's
Okay,
it.
so remember the ratio is 1 to 1. Okay, so do you understand this?
Okay.
Just write it out. The ratio is 1 to 1, which is this maximum area to
Minimum.
this
I
maximum.
mean the second. Okay, and
like
that's
this, right?
And that's it. I understand.
Okay, so we'll end here.
Bye.